there! Thank you for stopping by. I'm Radiance Harris, and I'm the founder and managing attorney of Radiance IP Law. I help emerging businesses protect, monetize, and grow profitable brands with trademarks. You're here because you want to learn more about trademarks, right? Well, you are in the right place. I recently published a book called Trademark Like a Boss, the ultimate step-by-step guide to protecting your brand. This thing literally walks you step by step in the simplest words what a trademark is, why you need it, and how to successfully complete your application with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. I give you so many scrumptious treats, including charts and templates and checklists and so much more. This guide is an absolute must for every business owner and entrepreneur. Do not hesitate to buy your copy right now.